Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI. When I'm out and about, I like to take my Travelon anti-theft proof backpack. It is really, really awesome. It goes on my back. I like to have it on my back because I like to have my hands free. But what I really love about this backpack is that it is anti-theft proof. So the straps are cut resistant. That's a big plus for me. If I have it on my back, it can't be cut off. It has these hooks that allow you to clip it on, and your zipper pockets will not open. So if this is clipped on, this pocket will not open. Here's the clip right here. One thing that I really love about this backpack is the fact that it has this beautiful color on the inside. However, the pockets are RFID. So if I put my credit cards in there, they cannot be scanned. It's lightweight, it's waterproof, it's a really excellent bag. It also has a very deep pocket here where I can put my cell phone and other important items that I want to take along with me. Everything fits in this bag without a problem, and it's still comfortable and easy to carry. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.